In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Pocket Option with UPI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first step is open up a web browser and go to pocketoption.com. Once you're here, we need to sign into our account. Once you've signed into our account, go ahead and click onto our user profile on the top right hand corner of the page. A little menu will appear. Click onto the deposit button, and that's going to take you to the account top up section. Now from here in your country region, you need to make sure to select India because that's where UPI is available. So India here. And then under that, where it says search, type in UPI. Here it is here. So go ahead and click onto UPI. Now from here, we need to put in the amount. And then if you've got a promo code, you can check that and put in your promo code. From here, fill out your first name and last name and your phone number, only digits only, and your UPI ID. Then from here, it should be taken to your UPI, or a payment request shows up in your UPI app like Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, etc. Just simply approve the request and confirm with your UPI PIN. Once successful, the money is reflected into your trading account balance.